Say hi, gorgeous. Say we braided some fly repellent into your braid. Yes. You're like, give me cookies. I behave so good. But look at how nice your neck looks. Why is it so close? Oh, there we go. There you goes. We loosely put it up there using the cute little adapter thingies that they had. And then we braided into her tail the rest of the string. See if we can't get some fly protection for you, huh, pretty? Because you're such a good girl. Yes, you are. You're so pretty when you get brushed. You are. Mwah. Okay, I gotta feed some of these other kiddos. So if she keeps it in overnight, we'll put the next one in you. And then we've got a third one for you, ma'am. Yes. We delayed getting Crunchy Time out so that we could get Miss Queenie all dressed, gussied up with fly protection. Yes. There you go. So careful. Good boy. Can you give kisses? All right, Missy. I know you did good. You always do good. You're such a sweetheart. She's like, I want cookies. I want cookies. Look at that. We're going to eat a donkey. Yes. And then a goat. Yeah. You're like, I get lots of cookies. Yes, you do. Another goat. There you go. And a rhinoceros. And I think Mindy says that's a lion. I'm not sure. All right, what do I got? I have 4 more. So 1 for you. Kisses. Yes. Oh, hi. 1 for you. And 1 for Miss Baby Girl. Yes. What do you want? You're giving all the kisses. You two are silly. There you go. You get the last. Because you're my precious girl. Thank you. Goofy. Stop. Oh my gosh.